Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. We will see the next part of interview preparation strategy and sample questions. And today also I will discuss the syllabus of IGNO Assistant Registrar and Security Officer because in today's video itself I am discussing the general questions of interview facing, and next video onwards I will start the questions about our syllabus also, because maybe 2 or 3 questions you can expect from your syllabus mode or general questions from the general studies paper also. Okay, so you just thorough with the syllabus also. I already discussed in the first videos of IGNO when the time of your exam. You can follow that video in iTutor YouTube channel. There I discussed the syllabus already, and today I will just discuss the syllabus, and next video onwards I will start the questions related to the syllabus and topic based questions. Okay, and today I am discussing the first question is, as assistant registrar position, what is your greatest accomplishment? Okay, so hope the question is clear for you. This is just like the what is your greatest strength? Okay, and ये question assistant registrar का आपका greatest accomplishment क्या है आप assistant registrar post में आने के time में. So this is about here you mention your strength only. Okay, this is the another way or another form of your strength questions. Okay, and question and should be treated similarly. Okay, so what is your greatest strength and your greatest accomplishment, you can take it as a one question. Okay, different way and आपको अलग अलग way में they will ask, and you should pick accomplishment that show that you have the qualities the company is looking for. Okay, as an assistant registrar for post, some qualities they obviously the interview board will check your abilities for the post. Okay, so there you show your abilities for the assistant registrar post. Okay, and I hope you are clear about it. And you may have achieved a lot over the years, but for the sake of the interview, pick only the relevant ones. Okay, आपको many other experience होगा. Some you are also from different modes and different backgrounds. Also, you are some maybe another job, not in the administrative job. Okay, you maybe write the exam and qualify for the interview. So your background is different, but you just pick up the correct point for the same position as an assistant registrar position. Okay, so highlight the accomplishment that show that make you perfect candidate for the position. Okay, and show passion for the job as you discuss anything. Okay, पहले उन लोगों को लगना है आपको ये असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार पोस्ट के लिए आपको पैशन है. ओके, एंड यू आर हियर फॉर आपका विश के वजह से आप यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू बोर्ड पे आया है ऐसे. अदरवाइज कोई फोर्सफुली या बिकॉज ऑफ सैलरीज के लिए यू आर हियर ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए उन लोगों को. ओके, एंड डू नॉट एवर थिंक योर अकम्पलिशमेंट्स आर टू स्मॉल. रिमेंबर दैट एन अकम्पलिशमेंट नो मैटर हाउ लिटिल. ओके, एक ही पॉइंट है आपको बताने के लिए योर अकम्पलिशमेंट और ग्रेटेस्ट क्वालिटी फॉर द असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार पोजीशन. यू जस्ट मेंशन दैट ओनली, नो नीड टू इलैबोरेट. आप ऐसे क्वालिटी नहीं है फिर भी उसको बता दिया, ऐसे नहीं करना है. एक ही पॉइंट है तो वही बता देना. ओके, एंड वो रेलेवेंट भी होना चाहिए. इफ़ इट इज़ लाइन विद द पोजीशन दैन ए मैसिव ब्रेक थ्रू दैट इज़ नॉट रिलेटेड. ओके, सो आप रिलेटेड वाला कोई ज़्यादा क्वालिटीज़ यहाँ पे बताना नहीं चाहिए. सो बेटर दैन एक ही पॉइंट आप वहाँ पे मेंशन कर लेना. Okay, and I hope you are clear about it. And second question is, as assistant registrar position, how do you respond to working under pressure? Okay, so here the essence of this question is to test your composure and ability to solve the problems. आपके पास एक प्रॉब्लम आया है, एक टास्क आया है, आप कैसे उसको सॉल्व करेगा. दैट इज़ द एम ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस. ओके, एंड इवन फेवरेबल कंडीशन हो अनफेवरेबल कंडीशन हो, जो भी चैलेंजेस आपके पास आया कैसे आप वो चैलेंज को फेस करेगा. दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन हियर. एंड आई एम जस्ट सजेस्टिंग एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टाइम वेर यू वेयर faced with the challenge and what you did to remedy the situation. If you have any example in your previous experience, so you can mention here. You face one challenge and that I solved in this way, so that is good for that organization. So you can mention if you have any examples. Okay, and in the process highlight how you were calm and in control till everything was okay. एंड ऐसे लगना चाहिए वो पूरा चैलेंज और टास्क आप कंप्लीट करने के टाइम तक आप काम था एंड एवरीथिंग अंडर कंट्रोल में था. आपका जो पोस्ट का वो पावर के हिसाब से आपने सब कुछ कंट्रोल में रख के वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया. ऐसे आपका आंसर इंटरव्यू बोर्ड के सामने आना चाहिए ये वाला क्वेश्चन पे. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एज असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार पोजीशन व्हाई डू यू विश टू लीव योर प्रेजेंट जॉब. Of course, because यहाँ पे they are looking for the experienced candidate. Okay, and एक question आपका maybe you are working as a some administrative or some secretarial level post and you are just pass for the IGNOU assistant registrar exam, so you are just leaving your present job. Then why do you choose this job? ऐसे एक क्वेश्चन मस्ट है. आप जस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट इफ़ यू आर अ वर्किंग कैंडिडेट. ओके, नो मैटर व्हाट यू से डू नॉट मेंशन नेगेटिव थिंग्स. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको पॉजिटिव थिंग्स ही बताना चाहिए अबाउट योर एम्प्लॉयर. नेदर शुड यू मेंशन एनीथिंग अबाउट मोर मनी बीइंग द रीज़न. ओके, मोर सैलरी यहाँ पे नहीं बताना चाहिए आपको. वाट एवर थिंग्स यू आर फेसिंग, नेवर इन द टाइम ऑफ योर इंटरव्यू आई एम हियर फॉर जस्ट सीइंग द सैलरी स्केल. यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए कभी भी. ओके, remember this point. And the reason is simple. If you are leaving a company because of money to come to there, you will definitely leave them to move on to another if it promise a better pay check. Of course, wherever you are getting better payment, you may leave the job and you may shift that job too, right? And your best bet is to any it on responsibility, and that is a hidden answer there. You are looking for a better opportunity because of better money there, that is hidden there. Okay, but कभी भी आपको वो आंसर बोलने के टाइम में बोलना नहीं चाहिए. And yeah, that's the challenge here. Okay, how your previous position won't challenging you enough. Indicate that you earn for more responsibility and how what you have to offer outweighs the responsibility and challenge posed by your former position. Okay, आपको ऐसे बोल सकते हैं आप because of better opportunity and more experience I am searching for the better organization. So that's why I applied. You can answer like that way. Okay, otherwise you can find out another your own way answer. Okay, so if you have any better answer, you just comment it on comment box. Okay, so that is good for other candidates also. Okay, your own answer you can prepare. And next question is as an assistant registrar position what sort of salary are you looking for. Okay, यहाँ पे आपका salary आपको anyway एक expectation होगा. You are going for a job, you have anyway you have any expectation for the salary scale. Okay, so note whatever you are going for an interview, this question may be asked before going. Try to find out what the average salary for someone holding that position. पहले आपको देखना है assistant registrar post में average salary कितना है. सो वो हिसाब से आपको बताना. एनीवे आंसर बताना पड़ेगा वहाँ पे इन केस यू आर योर एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी. ओके, कभी भी आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग ऐसे नहीं बोलना बिकॉज दैट इज़ शोइंग योर पर्सनालिटी. आप एक जॉब के लिए जा रहे तो ऑफकोर्स यू नीड ए पेमेंट, राइट? यू नी देयर इज़ आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर दिखाना चाहिए. इन केस यू आर सेइंग आई डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपेक्टेशन, वहाँ पे आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर लोगों को देख नहीं पाएगा. सो आप वहाँ पे ये बता देना आपका एक्सपेक्टेशन. ओके, सो पहले यू प्रिपेयर फॉर द एवरेज स्केल. ओके, वहाँ पे एंड दिस वुड हेल्प यू प्रिपेयर योर व्हाट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ओके, यू आर ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर करके मन में रख देना. ओके, पहले से ही आप एक अपना तरीके से एक इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन कर लेना मन के अंदर. इनके सैलरी स्केल के बारे में पूछेंगे तो क्या बताना है. अदरवाइज इन द सडन इन केस यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रिपरेशन, इन द सडन वहाँ पे आपको नर्वस हो जाएगा. जाएगा. सो आपको कुछ भी आपको भी नहीं पता होगा आप क्या बोल रहे हैं इन द टाइम ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. सो बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ आंसर्स. ओके, एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट दैट दिस इज ओनली एन इंटरव्यू एंड यू हैवंट बीन ऑफर्ड द जॉब. सो डू नॉट गो ऑन नेगोशिएटिंग. यहाँ पे आप नेगोशिएशन मत करना. ओके, सैलरी के टाइम में, बिकॉज दैट्स जस्ट इंटरव्यू. देर इज देन आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू रिजल्ट ओनली यू विल गेट अ फाइनल कॉल for the job. Okay, so वहाँ पे negotiation मत करना. I am expecting this much salary. This is the I think otherwise I hope this is the average time scale of as an assistant registrar post. So I am expecting that much only. Okay, you can answer like this way and just state something within the range you have reached and move on. And whatever you do not sell yourself short. Okay, आपको sell नहीं करना वहाँ पे. सो आप अच्छे से वहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन को परफॉर्म कर लेना. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एंड एज एन असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार पोजीशन व्हाट क्वेश्चंस डू यू हैव फॉर मी. ओके, ये भी क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. एज एन असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार पोजीशन आपको कुछ डाउट्स है, आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन से भी पूछ सकते हैं. अबाउट 3 in 4 कैंडिडेट्स रेस्पॉन्स विथ नो. सो एंड दिस इज़ वेरी पुअर रेस्पॉन्स. ओके, आपका वहाँ ये ऐसे वाला क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो इंटरव्यू बोर्ड के लिए आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो वहाँ पे पूछ लेना. वहाँ पे नो नहीं बताना, मेरे को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है आपको पूछने के लिए. ओके, ऐसे नहीं बोलना. टेक ए चांस. ओके, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज परफेक्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. यू नीड टू शो दैट यू आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एवरी अदर कैंडिडेट्स. हैव कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर्ड. ओके, इंटरव्यू बोर्ड के लिए पूछने के लिए आप कुछ क्वेश्चंस पहले से ही प्रिपेयर करके रखना है. ऑफ कोर्स एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग एवरीवन हैव डाउट्स, राइट. सो वो डाउट आप एज ए क्वेश्चन आप पूछ लेना इंटरव्यू बोर्ड को. अदरवाइज नो मत बोलना. ओके, and it shows you are motivated and you have some knowledge about the company you are applying to. यहाँ से आप इनके क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया तो उन लोगों को ही पता है you are already prepared for the something and also you know something about the IGNO organization, right. And here's some tip for the answer. Your approach to this question should be mostly on what you can do for them and ask about something you discovered while doing your research about the company. Okay, always have a question. Don't ever say no. And I think that all for now. And do not make your question about yourself. And don't ask about time offs and benefits at this point. And don't ask questions that have ready answers you could have found on your own. And do not ask how soon you can start applying for other position with the company. Okay, these things you just take care of this time of the interview. Okay, and अभी तक मैंने आपको जनरल क्वेश्चंस शेयर किया है. एक कोई भी इंटरव्यू में आपको पूछ सकते हैं इसे वाला क्वेश्चंस. नॉट ओनली इन द असिस्टेंट रजिस्ट्रार एग्जामिनेशन इंटरव्यू एंड अदर इंटरव्यूज ऑल्सो यू कैन प्रिपेयर दिस इज अ कॉमन क्वेश्चंस फॉर एन इंटरव्यू. ओके, you can expect at least these questions for an interview. Okay, so this is common about it. And now we will prepare with our syllabus based syllabus. आपको is only one syllabus for the registrar and security officer exam. So you follow that syllabus again for your interview because once you prepared for your examination time, now again आपको prepare करना ही पड़ेगा. And general things they can ask, current affairs like follow the news. And then nowadays COVID issues and COVID related vaccines questions are more you can expect. As an assistant registrar nowadays in the education sector they are changing. The classes are in the online mode and also through TVs they are they are conducting the classes. So like where technology का importance यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा आया है for the higher education sector also they are conducting the exams through online mode. So you can expect more questions from this way. Okay, so anyway पहले I just go through the syllabus. Okay, all of you have the syllabus for your previous exams. Okay, interview का पहले का एक exam के लिए आपको anyway syllabus होगा. Otherwise you just note down Okay, you have two papers. You already prepared for two. One is general studies and one is educational and administration management. So educational and administration management, you face 150 question in the time of your exam, and in the GS paper you faced 50 marks. Okay, here the topics are in the GS paper. There is general studies is there. General studies में कुछ भी आ सकता है. Okay, current affairs you can prepare, and there is general science is there. In 6 to 10 standard का general science is there for the syllabus, and current events of national and international importance is there, that is current affairs. Okay, and Indian and world geography is there in the GS paper. Indian polity and economy is there. General mental ability is there. History of India and Indian national movement was there. And Indian agriculture and natural resources, social system and economic development in India, and reasoning and analytical ability. Anyway, reasoning and analytical ability, maybe recent kind of questions. Okay, they just give an situation, you can make a reason. ऐसे वाला questions maybe interview board आ सकते हैं. Otherwise analytical ability you can expect anyway. Otherwise prepare this general topics, geography, history and economics papers and polity papers. You prepare once again, just go through as a revision way. And in the educational and administrative part, there is a higher education system in India. Of course there is a question आ सकता है in the board of interview. And regulatory bodies and recent developments in the field, and span of control is there, and public administration is there, because that is one of the important chapter, because this is an assistant registrar exam and interview. And the organization, their hierarchy is there, authority and responsibility is there, coordination, centralization and decentralization is there, delegation, line and staff. All these syllabus I discussed previous videos, you can just search for it, you will get. Okay, and unity of command is there, supervision and personal administration, retirement, training, promotion, everything is there. And union management relationship is there, financial administration is there, information communication technology is there, that is ICT. Okay, this is very important, ICT nowadays, because from last March onwards, because of the pandemic, and higher education system and schooling system changed through the online mode, and they are more using the information technology for their daily basis classes and examination also they are conducting through. Even the IGNO mode, they are the IGNO assignments are submitting through email also nowadays. So be prepared thoroughly. So I will just discuss one by one. I am just go through the syllabus once. I just recollected this syllabus through this video, and next video onwards I will discuss more vastly about the about syllabus, and also I will share the syllabus in the description box also on the next video. So today that's it. If you have any doubts, if you need more explanation, or if you need more clarity in the past I discussed questions, you can follow me on itutor.com@gmail.com, and also you can comment it on comment box. अभी तक इग्नो ने कट ऑफ अभी तक ऑफिशियली बताया नहीं है, that's why I'm not sharing now. When officially they are giving a notification, then I will share with you surely. Okay, so if you like the video, just like it, and do your comments, and subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.